children, good morning. I am Uma, English faculty. In this video, today we are going to learn a beautiful lesson, Peace and Harmony.
Dear children, we are happy to learn the beautiful lesson, Peace and Harmony. I am sure that this lesson will make you a lot of excitement and enjoyment while learning. What is the title? Peace and Harmony. What is meaning of peace? It is a pleasant feeling and no disturbance. What is meaning of harmony? It means a state of living together peacefully. Let's take a first paragraph. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes, and insects. They lived all together happily. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open field without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances, but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. Pythons, which were blessed with the long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur of the flat-footed rabbits. The tiny ants, which were always busy, tickled the dark buffaloes. The first para tells us that once upon a time there was a forest in which all animals were living together in a very peaceful way, such as birds, snakes, insects, peacocks, cuckoos, elephants, pythons, dark buffaloes, tiny ants, etc. All animals roamed about the jungle. What is meant by roam? Which means to walk around. Peacocks were proud because they were dancing beautifully. Elephants were enjoying watching the fish swimming in the pool. In the forest, many birds were singing melodiously, such as cuckoos. What is meaning of melodious? Pleasant to listen to, like music. Children, you know, rabbit which fine fur and flat-footed are cute and beautiful. What is meaning of fur? Means hair on animal's body. For example, in our daily life we are watching our surroundings dog. And tiny ants were busy in collecting food and these ants tickled the dark buffaloes. What is meaning of tickle? To excite or be delightful. Delight means happy. What are the hard words in this para? Let's take their meanings. Roamed, to walk around. Melodious, pleasant to listen to. Like music. Fur, hair on animal's body. Tickle, to excite or be delightful. Let's discuss second para. They often held musical evenings in a large open field. The elephant and the deer danced. The mynas and the parrots sang. The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. They called the moon and his friends, the stars, to be the guests of honor at their musical evenings. The second para tells us that all animals often performed musical evenings. The moon and the stars were the chief guests for the musical night. In the program, elephants and deer were dancing while mynas and parrots were singing beautifully. And also, tiger and bear were doing some gymnastics. What is meaning of gymnastics? It means doing physical exercises. Let's discuss third paragraph. One day, a jackal entered the forest. He was dirty, dangerous, and very cunning too. He told the elephants, "You are the biggest animals in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and the rabbits? He poisoned the minds of the peacocks, saying, You are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the miners? The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. This para tells us that all animals were enjoying during all these days and felt very happy. But one day something happened. What was that? A jackal, which is bad, vicious, cruel, cunning, and dangerous, entered the forest. Jackal means a dangerous fox. The jackal felt jealous of all the animals and it made a cunning plan. I wanted to spoil the minds of animals. At first, it went to the elephants and spoiled them by saying that they are the biggest animals in the forest and not good for them when they played with the squirrels and the rabbits. Next, the jackal went to the peacocks and told them that they are the loveliest birds in the forest and not good for them to praise the miners, and then went to the deer and informed very quietly in the ears of deer that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Let's take hard words with their meanings. What are the hard words? Poison, to have a bad effect, means spoiled. Approached, come near. Whispered, to speak very quietly at your ear. Let's take fourth paragraph. Gradually, all the animals began suspecting one another. Earlier, they had lived together, slept together, and roamed around the forest together. Now they started to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. They moved about individually or with their own group. This fourth para tells us that all animals were poisoned by the jackal, began to be doubtful about one another, and they started put up boundaries and build fences around their houses, and also moved around the forest individually without their friends. Let's take fifth paragraph. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad, he cried. This fifth para explains that it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. No one came to help the smaller animals when they cried out for help. Gradually, all the smaller animals disappeared as the jackal had been eating. The moon and the stars were sad because there were no more musical evenings. Let's start sixth paragraph. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. As soon as Sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest. And the sadhu listened to them. This para tells us that the moon was sad about no more musical evenings and thought for a while and had an idea to come to the earth among the animals and the birds as sadhu. When the sadhu came, all the animals and the birds began to cry and share their sad stories about their livings in the forest as individuals and also blame each other in front of the sadhu for disturbing the peace. Let's take hard words with their meanings. Oh, extreme sadness, sobbed, cried a lot. Let's take 7th paragraph. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that he lost their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. This para tells us that the sadhu wanted to bring peace and harmony. He began to go with his idea. The lions and the rabbits sat together for a common meal brought by the sadhu, who chatted along with the python and the viper. And also he advised the eagle no deadly attack on the little chicks as they lost their mother. The sadhu went along with the tiger and the wild bear to the market, and also he played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. Let's see the hard words with their meanings. Viper, a small poisonous snake. Accompanied, to go with. Bulbul, a singing bird. Let's start 8th paragraph. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. Let's see the para. The jackal was very angry with the sadhu, who was trying to bring the peace in the forest. The jackal was waiting for a chance to eat the sadhu, as the jackal did not want to see the all animals were living in peace and harmony in the forest. Let's start 9th paragraph. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting, and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal, but will help you in a different way. Let's explanation. After getting the sadhu's advice, all the animals and the birds called for a meeting. They unitedly decided to go to the sadhu and requested him to kill the jackal. But sadhu replied to them that he wouldn't kill the jackal, but surely would help all the animals in a different way. Let's take hard words with their meanings. Unanimously, unitedly, pleaded, begged, requested. Let's discuss 10th para. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them his supper. The sadhu, who had been lodging nearby, came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. Let's explain. As usual, after the sun set, the jackal started to hunt the hens for his supper. At that moment, the sadhu, who was in the hen's house, came out and offered the jackal to eat him. Let's take hard word with its meaning. Lodging, living in a room. Let's discuss 11th para. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces, and ate him up. The animals were very sad, angry, and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in the direction. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to blot until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds, and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fence around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. Let's discuss. This para tells us that the jackal who had been waiting for the chance to eat the sadhu immediately dragged the sadhu with his mighty teeth to a lonely place and cut him into pieces and ate him up. All animals felt sad and angry with the jackal, who ate the sadhu. The following day, all animals ran to a particular direction where they heard an unknown noise. At that moment, they began to feel surprise because they saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger and burst out. Then they heard a soft voice that blessed all the animals living in peace and harmony in the forest and advised to break the fence around and continue to sing and dance without fear forever. Let's take hard words with their meanings. Opportunity, chance, dragged, pulled, disappointed, be sad, upset, strange, unknown, blot, become bigger and bigger, swell unpleasantly, burst, come out by force. Let's discuss 12th para. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. Let's explain. Let's see the last para. After hearing the soft voice, all animals felt extremely happy and looked up at the sky, and they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The early days came back as they broke off the fences. They began to conduct the musical programs. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. The animals once again started to roam, sing, dance, and sleep in peace.
Dear children, I hope you understand the lesson Peace and Harmony and prepare hard words thoroughly and learn the lesson. Thank you.